Hey guys, Dustin Sherman. Today I'm going to show you how to take down the 2020 Coachman 9 TD. So this does not take long. Check it out. First off, you pop the little shepherd's hook off. I'll bring it right in here and show. There, that little piece right there is a shepherd's hook. Pop this off, go back. This comes down, and that attaches right there, leans right on that. Go through, detach the tent. And there you are. Now we are completely closed up. Throw the step in, do the handle really quick, and the stabilizer jacks, and then we are ready for takeoff. Thanks for watching, guys.